In this video, I'll show you how to export data grid data into an Excel file. I've already created a simple MVC application using the DevExtreme ASP.NET MVC5 project template, added the data grid control on the index page, and defined a data source for the grid. Here's a grid. It displays information on employees. Now let's add the capability to export grid data for end users. First, I'll include a reference to the JS zip library onto my page. Second, I'll set the grid's export.enabled field to true to enable the export functionality in the grid. Let's see the result in a browser. Here is the export button. When I click it, the grid data is exported to an Excel file with a default name, DataGrid. Let's look at the generated file. Everything works fine. Numbers, dates, and formatting are maintained, so I can continue working with the grid data in the Excel file locally. Now let's see how the grid features are supported during the export. As you can see, data is exported as it's displayed in the grid, with sorting, filtering, and grouping applied. Now let's learn how to export only selected rows. I'll enable selection in the grid and set the export.allow export selected data option to true. All right, let's see the result. I'll select several records, and when I click the Export button, I see an option to export data for all or only selected rows. I'll choose Export for selected rows. Let's look at the generated file. And here we see data from the selected rows only. And that's it. To learn more about DevExtreme ASP.NET MVC controls, check out this playlist, subscribe to our channel, or refer to our documentation. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.